It's the night before the science fair. Jamie flips the switch on the robot he's bragged about for weeks, and nothing works right. The sensors can't even tell red from orange. His stomach drops. He promised everyone this would be amazing. Jamie tells his dad, "I failed, I promised everyone." And instead of a lecture, his dad says something strange. "Let me tell you about the time the whole world gave up on AI." Yes, the whole world. This actually happened, and it has a name. Hi, I'm Byte, your AI friend, the little gold glow that follows you through these lessons. This story is one of my favorites because it's not about AI being perfect. It's about AI crashing, freezing over, and clawing its way back. Stick with me. Here's my promise for the next 10 minutes. You'll learn what an AI winter is, why it happened not once but twice, and the one habit that keeps tripping AI up, even in 2024. Ready? Let's go find out what froze. So what is an AI winter? It's not real snow. It's what scientists call a stretch of time when everything about AI went cold. Research slowed to a crawl, people stopped believing, the money dried up, and progress just stopped. Like a garden in winter, nothing growing. Picture 4 things freezing at the same time. 1. Research slows way down. 2. People lose interest. 3. The money for projects gets cut off. 4. Progress seems to stop completely. When all 4 freeze together, that's a winter, and it's brutal. Here's the part that surprises everyone. There wasn't just one AI winter. There were 2. The first hit in the 1970s. The second came in the late 1980s. Twice the smartest field on Earth froze over. Twice it had to survive. This is your home base in LittleAIMaster. Every chapter you unlock adds a piece to a bigger picture. How AI was born, how it froze, and how it came roaring back. Today's piece is the freeze, and understanding the freeze is what makes the comeback make sense. To feel a winter, you have to know the summer. In an AI summer, everyone's excited, money flows like a river, progress is fast, and people are hopeful. In an AI winter, flip every single one. Disappointed, money cut off, progress frozen, and a lot of people just give up. Line them up side by side. Feelings, excited versus crushed. Money, flowing versus cut off. Progress, racing versus frozen. Hope, sky high versus gone. 4 categories, and winter loses every single one. That's how total the collapse felt to the people living through it. But here's the twist I love, and hold on to it, because it's the whole point of this chapter. Not everyone gave up. A stubborn handful of scientists kept working quietly, almost in secret, while the rest of the world walked away. Remember them. They're the heroes here. Rewind to the golden summer, 1956 to 1965. This is when AI was born, and the excitement was electric. Scientists genuinely believed machines were about to change absolutely everything, and fast. By 1960, they were making a jaw-dropping promise out loud. 1960. Top scientists announced, computers will be smarter than humans within 10 years. 10. By 1965, lots of people fully expected robots to do all our work soon. Housework, driving, doctoring, done. The confidence was sky high, and that, it turns out, was the problem. They promised robots that understood any conversation. Perfect translation between languages. Machines as smart as people. Robots doing your chores. Self-driving cars by 1985, AI doctors diagnosing diseases. 6 bold promises, 6 huge headlines, and spoiler, reality had other plans. Whenever a promise like this makes you go, wait, why couldn't they just do that? That's exactly the moment to tap me. Ask Byte lives right here in the app. I won't hand you the answer. I'll help you think it through the way a good study buddy would. Curiosity is the engine. So let's crash the promises into reality. Understand any conversation? Nope, they only handled simple commands. Perfect translation? The results were terrible and honestly hilarious. Machines as smart as humans, they could do exactly one narrow task and nothing else. The chore robots? They could barely move without tipping over. Self-driving cars by 85? Cars couldn't even stay inside their own lane. AI doctors? They made too many dangerous mistakes to trust. every shiny promise met a very hard, very embarrassing reality. My favorite flop? An AI translator was fed the phrase, "The spirit is willing but the flesh is weak." It spat back out, "The vodka is good but the meat is rotten." People laughed, but that kind of embarrassing failure was one more reason the funding got yanked away. Here's how a summer turns to winter. When those big promises kept breaking, the people paying for it got angry. They stopped believing and they stopped writing checks. No belief, no money, no research. And just like that, the freeze begins. Let me show you how fast a freeze can hit. In America, the government cut $20 million of AI funding in one single day. Imagine your school canceling every science project, shutting the computer lab, and letting go of all the tech teachers, all at once, overnight. Behind that number were real people. Hundreds of researchers, brilliant scientists who'd spent years on AI, suddenly had to go find brand new jobs. Labs went dark. Careers ended. A winter isn't just cold, it's cruel to the people caught in it. Keep that in mind. Now the second winter. In the 1980s, Japan bet $400 million on a mega project, the fifth-generation computer. They promised true thinking machines by 1992. The result? Total failure. One of the most expensive tech flops in all of history. And that $400 million failure taught something priceless. Throwing money at a problem doesn't solve it if the technology just isn't ready. AI didn't need a bigger budget, it needed better methods, better ideas. Money can't fast-forward science. That lesson still matters today. So why did AI actually freeze? 4 reasons stacked up. 1, the computers were far too weak. 2, the promises were far too big. 3, when results didn't come, the money got cut. And 4, the hardest one, some problems were just way harder than anyone guessed. Reason 1, made real. The phone in your pocket is roughly 100,000 times more powerful than the best computer of the 1970s. Asking that old machine to run real AI was like asking a bicycle to fly to the moon. The dream was right, the engine was tiny. And reason 4 is the mind bender. The stuff you do without thinking was nearly impossible for AI recognizing your mom's face across a room. Impossible. Walking without falling? Impossible. Getting a joke? Forget it. The easy, human things turned out to be the very hardest thing to teach a machine. Sort it out. Easy for old AI, complex math, algebra, following chess rules because those have clear steps. Hard or flat-out impossible. Recognizing a face, telling a cat from a dog, walking, understanding a joke, or catching sarcasm. Anything needing real-world sense broke it completely. Now, every winter has a moment it becomes official. For AI, it was 1973, and it came from a single document. A British professor named James Lighthill was asked to look hard at AI research and report back honestly. What he wrote shook the whole field. His verdict was blunt: AI research has not achieved its goals, we should stop funding most of it. Just like that. And people listened. Britain cut almost all of its AI money. Researchers lost their jobs. Universities shut down whole AI departments. The first winter had officially begun. This is your journey map, and I love showing it here. See how one node connects to the next? The Lighthill freeze isn't the end of the road, it's a station on it. The very next chapter is the comeback. In real learning, every setback is just a stop, never the finish line. So how do you survive a winter? You get clever. AI had become almost a bad word, say it, and the money ran away. So the stubborn scientists simply renamed their work. They called it knowledge-based systems instead. Same dream, new coat, and the funding stopped fleeing. And time was quietly on their side. While AI lay low, computers got about 1,000 times more powerful. Then the internet arrived, pouring out mountains of data. The weak engine got strong, the empty tank got filled. Everything AI had been missing was finally showing up. Here's the ending you've been waiting for. The AI winter did not last forever. Spring came. Those quiet, stubborn scientists, the ones who never quit, who just changed the name and kept building, they're the reason AI exists today. Perseverance literally saved the field. And here's the twist that makes this ancient history feel brand new. In the 1960s, they promised self-driving cars by 1985. In 2024, Tesla's autopilot still can't fully drive itself, promised next year, almost every year since 2016. Overpromising is AI's oldest habit. History rhymes. So the AI winter hands you a superpower for life. Be genuinely excited about AI, it's incredible. But don't swallow every timeline someone shouts. When you hear, "This will change everything by next year," you now know to smile, stay curious, and quietly ask, are they overpromising again? And this is where you're different from Jamie. You don't just read about AI right here, you raise one. You feed it, train it, watch it get smarter. And because you know the winter's lesson, you'll build honest, no wild promises, just real, steady progress. In the Create Studio, you'll make your own AI projects. And I promise, some will flop, sensors that can't tell red from orange, ideas that just won't work. That's not failure. That's the science fair. That's the winter. Setbacks aren't the opposite of success, they're part of it. Every stage you finish lights up right here on your progress screen. And that's the whole idea. The scientists who survived the winter kept going one quiet step at a time. So will you. Watch these lights grow, and you'll feel exactly what perseverance looks like. Finish this chapter, and you earn something I'm proud to give: the Winter Survivor Badge. It means you understand that AI froze twice, nearly died, and came back because a few people refused to quit. You get that now? That's real understanding. So next time your robot breaks the night before the fair, you'll know exactly what to say. This is just my winter. Next chapter, we watch AI come roaring back to life. Tap in, keep going, and remember, don't just use AI, raise one. I'll see you there.